All right, here we have the new Viofo A229 Duo. This is a dual channel Wi-Fi enabled dash cam. Records in 2K, has the front and rear cameras. And as I always say, you just can't do any better than the Sony Starvis sensors. So this one, of course, is equipped with the Sony Starvis sensor. So let's see what comes with it in the box here. Of course, we have installation warnings, a very well written manual. As these dash cams go, Viofo does a really good job of giving you a manual that's easy to operate and easy to understand. Okay. And here we have the actual camera. Nice looking camera. It's not overly large, but it is a bit big. So if you've got a really small car, this will work, but it's going to need a little real estate on the windshield. It is about the size of two Tic Tac containers side by side. So you have your menu button, the record button, the emergency save button, mic on and off, Wi-Fi on and off. Okay, here you have your rear camera slot, micro SD, and an external mic. Now I have an external mic for this. I don't think we're gonna use it, but you never know. And of course the USB plug, and then the power plug is on the top of the GPS unit right there. All right. Overall, and there's the forward-facing camera. All right, let's see what else comes in this little box. Hold on. All right, see what else comes in this little box here. All right, we got the computer cable, the USB plug. You have this will be the rear camera. And a card reader for adapting the micro SD card to a USB port. Spare pieces of tape for the cameras. Here is your power cord. And the wire for the rear camera and a trim tool piece. Nothing to it. Now I'm going to show you how to install it real quick, and then we'll get some video off of it and go from there.